So that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to move the six space back down and get it ready to like 45. Although I'm going to adjust my order entries accordingly according to the levels. Well, you kind of got the trade that I thought about doing on the NQ. You had that. You had the short on the ES here. Like I said, I got back in on that because I'm kind of just staying short here, guys. So good job, Megan. Way to go. Anybody else get the short there on the NQ? Here we go. Stay on for the ride. Stay on for the ride, guys. Stay on for the ride. I told you guys I was getting back in. I'm not going to hide it from you. There's no way I was going to stay out of this. No way. No way. Megan, good job. Good job. All right. We got minute till the open. If you're newer with us, let me do this really fast. If you're newer with us, please don't trade for the first 6 minutes or so of the open. If you're struggling to be profitable, please don't trade for the first 6 minutes or so of the open. If you're on trial with us, please schedule a call with a coach. We'll happily talk to you and help you get started with us. Help you understand what you need to be doing. If you're on Ninja Trader, we have lots of tools, especially our tick entry tool that you can download and use while you're on trial, our tick reversal tools, and you'll get our levels directly on your chart. You're in a live trade room here. Uh, Again, if you don't have Ninja Trader, you can get on Telegram and get our levels live every day sent to you. And our entire engine of the way we do things is based on our levels. So that's an extremely important thing here. And again, tomorrow at noon, not here in this main room. Sorry, at 11 tomorrow, we'll be doing class. So I'll be teaching tomorrow here in the main room. Then every day, Monday through Thursday at approximately 1 p.m. We do a Premier Clubhouse, which is just an afternoon trading session. Have a member meetup at 4. And like to ask you guys that are new to us, go down and start watching these elite class replays. It is pretty much an all-encompassing course that you can watch and listen to and get some good information from. Download a mobile app. And again, schedule a call with the coach. We'll be happy to walk you through what we're doing, how we do things, and help you out. All right. Thank you, guys. Get that done pretty quick. Oh, yeah. I'm there. I'm there. Here we go. Showtime at the Apollo. We'll get this done early today. All right. I gotta start thinking these shorts here on the MNQ and MES. What's that? Yeah. Oh, you just got on. Okay, I realize now. See, see. Oh, it's the same. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Again, we still have pretty good ways down for before we hit that reversal territory. So we should be able to see ourselves selling rallies here at this point, guys. Again, those of you newer to trading, struggling to be profitable, please just wait just a few minutes here. Just a couple more minutes. 9:36 won't kill anybody. All right, new stop here on the ES. 35.50. There's another sell signal coming up here on the NQ. On the upside. Well, 25.077. as a short area, not 26. Right at the pivot on the, yeah, you might be right on that 77. Make a little M here. Oh, doesn't look like it's going to do it. Whoa, my lag. Oh, why is my lag so bad? Oh no. Oh, I can't trade this with this lag like this. Yeah. Shoot. Oh man. Okay. This is no fun. Yeah. All right. I got to restart the platform. It's bad. Well, let's try this one more time. All right. Micros. Good job, WD. Dave. All right. Well, Dave got a trial badge. 6 7 34. Nope. Yeah, you keep it. You keep it. You keep it. All right. A little bit higher here, guys. And yep. And got to start thinking longs on the M and Q here. See if it's staying up here from. Wow. Look at that big bar. Yeah. Let me. Uh, nice. Be that about be the end of the rally. Yeah. Well, I put this as a top level here on the ES because this was where I really thought we should end up at max on the long side. Um, but I'll sit on my hands for a minute longer and see for this. I think this is an area that I would possibly look for a short from. A little relief. Yeah, there's your short. Target's off. Hmm. Going, gone. Going, gone. All right. You did? Oh, you went back and did it again. What's that? On the short side of things? Long side? Trade with trade, trade with momentum. Well, at the end of the day, we are in an area that is known to be two-way trading. Um, it's going to get my stop here on the ES. All right. Um, yeah, so up here, two-way trading type of environment. Although you're probably right, we need to start thinking on the long side there. Um, two-way? You go two ways with this? It seems like that would be the thing in order, right? Let's see where we're at on the ES here. I mean, the ES is brighter. Huh? What's that? I just think we got a little rally here to get. It's what I said earlier when I first came out. I was like, they're gonna probably push it up, give a little head fake to the retails people, and try to get them thinking long, and then turn it around and go back short again. That's the only thing that I was thinking here is that this could be nothing more than a head fake on those longs.
There it is.
Definitely see this as a resistance area on the ESO. How do you study levels? Let's see. Playback. I'm assuming he did playback when did levels. I don't. Megan's asking you a question.
I'm sorry. Oh, Megan, what are you saying? How did you study levels? Well, I did it one of two ways. First and foremost, I just loaded a chart and scrolled back and set my levels and just looked at it just to see how it was reacting, like what was the pattern it was forming. And then I literally just went back and traded based off. I don't know if you remember me saying on Friday that it was really respecting between the 150 zeros, the middles, right? And it was just bouncing
Mhm.
between those little blocks between the 77 26. It was perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Like you could have took, yeah. But so I went back and looked for that specifically with various like a couple weeks back.
The 77 to 26.
Hmm. And what I noticed two things. One, it when it comes from one of those round numbers, right? The 150 or the 700 or the 750 or the 800, it'll tend and bounce off that number. It'll tend to come back to that number, and that's almost constantly. You just go back. It's not me. Just go back and look. I'm not making this stuff up. And then when it does a what I'm calling a big push volatility move, like it did this morning, where I said I got to take this short, when it basically goes from 26 to 77 all the way without stopping, you're going to get a bounce almost every single time. It overshoots it like that. So, I mean, it's unbelievable how predictable it is.
Nice, Isaac.
Sweet, Isaac. Oh, I didn't see that one yet, Isaac. I haven't seen that one yet.
All right. Probably need to start thinking these longs here on the MNQ, huh?
If it comes back,
Think take a shot on the long side.
I mean, I think you'll get at least up to that. If you look left up there, you should get up to that
I mean, it says we should be in two
16 to
directional trading.
26 range. Yeah. I'm
Maybe
scared
we
on the
should.
two way, but it should be. Yeah. I agree with you.
Actually, you know what? Let me look at this. I'm gonna do more than four
Should do it.
orders. Let's do 7, and just increase tick pace. Say so 55 here, something like that, and I'll adjust these orders to the extremes. That's actually pretty good. I like it. This should keep us well within the spot here. So two directions. Using this 55 ticks or 56 is what it ended up being. I was actually thinking about putting these on these different levels, stacking the contracts at levels, but it spread out pretty well. I could probably look at 2 at this level. I like this level as well. So probably 2 there. And I'll back the rest up all the way up here. There we go. Let's do it like that. And then the long from this level. And then I think we probably want to be a little bit further down on that one for that level and get these guys back here a little bit. I like this little wiggle area here. So a couple contracts there. Oh, never mind. It's already doing its thing. Okay, so I got this pretty well laid out the way I want it, except for that one. Okay, get out of here. Two contracts. Okay, there we go. Two contracts there. There we go. Hmm. Okay, there's that.
Anyway, it's short.
Now let's keep our eyes on that one. I'm thinking about doing the same thing with the MES here. Let's look and see where we're at with the ES. See if this should be two-way trading territory.
Oh,
It kind of looks like it should be, doesn't it? It's from the other day, Thursday.
yes, Megan. I like that. I don't know that you'll get that, but I like that.
What's that?
77 long if it comes back to the money line, but I don't.
Oh yeah, that'd probably be a good one.
That would be great, but I don't think I don't know. Might be a bit much to ask.
All right. Guess it's like Friday. Just wants to keep going up, huh?
Yeah, it looks that way.
Trade with the momentum. Well, that's what we're supposed to do. The MES should push back. I mean, the MEQ should push back down. There's a lot of
You
stuff
would. It's going to try to. I think it should try to come back. We'll see.
should try to push back down at some point. You got all this selling pressure back here that's happened.
Just trying to see what.
What it did last time we were here.
There goes.
There's a little gap thing. Yeah. Should see it push down.
Look at that perfect bounce right off. Oof! I should have called that for a manual entry.
What's that?
Came beautiful from that 250 down to that 26 and bounced.
Oh wow.
Telling you that.
Yeah. Hey.
You're gonna get.
Um.
All right. What do we got? Another back through. Look at that. Exactly what I was talking about, Megan. Did you see that? How it came down,
I think I need to
bounced
get
off
this
of it, broke through it, and came back up
profit.
through it again.
I'm gonna look for this on the long side on the M&Q, Paul.
No, you definitely need to be favoring longs here. That's why I was
Yeah,
talking about that long coming off the two.
so I'm going long in this.
Yeah, especially if we get a break up here.
Yeah, this is the last stop on the train I had on the ES was already broken on 60 at 64, 67, 64. So I would be uh, I would be extremely happy with um, I would probably look at a money line pullback for a long, even still here. I don't know if that's going to happen. It doesn't look like that's going to happen. Mm. And I think I probably want to try to
We should have held that
get a
long
little
this
bit.
morning. Ugh.
Which? Oh, the long.
I was long off the 740 on the ES this morning before I came on, and I when it pulled back, I just took my profit like a dummy. Huge amateur. That would have
Where
been
did you?
huge. 640,
Already.
641, 641.25 is where I was long. 741.25. I'm sorry, 741.25.
Oh, we're just about to pivot.
Yeah, just above the pivot.
Oh, dude, yeah.
But it came back, and I just took my money and said, it's a good trade.
Think I'm gonna try to scale into a long here. I'm gonna get one eventually. I'm gonna trail this up with the money line on the ES.
Watch this
Oh,
226 long NQ. Be careful. Let it come back down because you got the money line below it. Let it come down through and either bounce off that money line or come back up through. Don't just have a buy here.
let's double check here again. See where we're at. Real quick look see around the charts.
There you go.
So yeah, you're up on the NQ. You're up in this area where we should see some range bound trading. Um, Obviously, with a slight bias change to slightly on the long side. You also got this gap from a few days ago that got filled before, but it has been chopping around here. So, and then Friday it continued to push in the Globex session as well to the north side. So,
Target's off.
there you go. Good call.
It's
Money
always
line
a good.
long. There you go.
Always,
That's what I
yeah.
said earlier.
Said let it break through. Come off the money line. Anybody catch that?
Nice trade. Good
It's
job, guys.
fast, but it's fast, but it's working if you see it. It's there.
Working perfect.
Yeah.
Working perfect. How did Dave get a trial tag? I don't get it.
Which Dave? We have a few Daves. What Dave is this?
Old Dave.
Which Dave are you?
Which Dave are you? All right. Let's see. I don't get. I'm
Oh,
maybe try to get another contract back here, and maybe get one at the bottom of that zone on the ES here. I'm not going to go any heavier on these M&Q contracts, but this should be the area we're taking long from on the M&Q or the NQ as far as that goes. Maybe here down to the 200 for the longs.
Hmm.
I think I want to stay in that one for more than 12 ticks on the ES. Mm-hmm. That's not horrible. Mm. Okay. There's that. Bird says okay too. Second chance here. Called that one just about spot on. I got anybody else? Wait, for long? Oh, it looks like you're getting some wicks on the bottom side. Okay, yeah. Wicks on the bottom side of stuff here now. You might be getting the long signal to start to finish up. If you are wondering how to get into this, guys, do what we always talk about. Just throw a little box on this and take it when it starts to get some momentum in your direction. Same thing on the ES here. Let it pick up a head of steam on the north side before jumping in. If it doesn't happen, don't get in a trade. Let's see. Well, it looks like it's starting to get it now. There you go. There you go. Get a little momentum going there. See if we can get this to push up again now. I might just put a stop in on this ES long and let it. If it can break above this 74 level, it just hit it on the ES, then we should have free selling on the upside. We'll see. It's fighting the long though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Q never finished.
Because
On
I
the
say
long
be
side.
careful with this
I won't
NQ
get any
because
deeper. Oop. I guess I am deeper now. I don't want to get any deeper on this
yeah, you
MNQ.
don't want to get too much deeper on that one.
I don't know why it's not letting me move my. Go up there and get
Just
my target so I can get out.
right click on it. It's locked. If you go back on that one that you're trying to move, right click on it.
Hold on. Let me get this guy out of the way. It's lock.
Is it? Oh no, there it goes. I thought I saw the lock button on it.
Oh, there's all those. All right, there's that. Again, I'm keep looking back at this MNQ and NQ. This should be, for all intents and purposes, some two-way trading environment. And I really want these to stay away from this. I don't want to get any heavier on the contracts there. There's a really good level here around one. I kept saying 150. 150 is not a bad level for the NQ. This should be a long level now. It should be what was Mullet Mania was talking about this all last week. Support turning into resistance. Should have been exactly what happened. Resistance turning into support now. Should be what's happening. Somebody's going to win the battle here soon, though. That is for sure. Trying to get the shorts back in the game here, aren't they?
Yeah, this NQ. I mean, ES looks.
Starting to look a little heavy, huh?
Huh. I mean, and look at what I'm seeing. Yeah.
It's definitely
But
starting to look a little heavy.
hmm
We'll
yeah,
see. It's got to break out one. Whichever way it breaks out from, I'm gonna take it that direction on another account. And the NQ is pushing down. ES is kind of
NQ's
staying
pushing
there.
down. Yeah,
Yeah.
NQ's definitely pushing down.
Mr. Chance on the longs here on the MNQ. Get one last shot here from this area right here on the NQ.
Almost can reverse it.
Oh, I had this set to the wrong thing. Oh no. Oh no. Wrong setting. Dang it.
Where is this thing going to bounce?
Oh man, I'm
Let's
getting
try
hit.
it here. Look how quick that was. Boom. 26. This thing is fast. 26 bounce. Huh? Oof. Look at this thing go. Shh. Now we think the other way around. Let's get a pull back up here and see if we can.
Dang it. I had that setting wrong. This is exactly what I wanted too. The
Mm-hmm.
long from here. Oh man, that got me. That's aggravating. Dang it. I had the MES setting on this chart, not my ES setting, so it had the wrong risk level in it. Both of them did.
Oh,
I know. This thing would have been running in profits at this point. Ugh. Silly mistake on my part. Cost me money. Oh, something tells me I'll probably get it back today. Silly little mistake. Silly little mistake. I mean, all you really have to do, think about it, guys. What is momentum doing? I said it all morning long. Momentum's down. Take the shorts. Momentum's up. Take the longs. That's all you got to do. And then put your contracts on the levels that you want to trade from.
I did not get up there long enough.
Do that one more time. Pull this contract away this time.
Mm.
Separate my contracts.
Didn't quite get up high enough, but looks like you're going to run with one contract.
It does. That's all right.
I was
That's
wanting a
all
little
right.
bit. I wanted a little bit higher.
I did
Around that
too.
67 areas, between 67 77 area for me. It just didn't quite get there, and it's going to go without us. Oh, you got one contract.
I got one whole contract on, buddy.
Yeah. Well, you get some of it back.
Hey, well, yeah, they're gonna try to push it down now again.
Possibly get a bounce here. Possibly.
Where'd that double bottom come from this morning? It was or the ES had the you had it at triple bottom at 9. Well, that's clearly under that now, so you might have a chance of a bounce around 25,099 and then below 25,000. Nope. Nope. Just gonna go. Oh, it did it to me again. Stop that. Let's try
Boom.
that one
There's
more
a
time.
bouncer off that 77. This could be a small area here. You might want to. No.
Um, Dang, I really want to look at that short on the ES there too. Missed that one. Oh well. I'm staying short on this M&Q now. With the contracts here at the levels I like. Actually, I like this level too. I'm gonna do something like that, but it's not gonna. If it comes back up here, great. If not, great. I ride one contract the whole way to the promised land if I have to. Getting close to the pivot on the ES. Not far from the pivot on the NQ. Might get that pivot bounce long on the NQ if it gets down there.
I was just about to say that.
And maybe a 26 short if it comes back up to the money line. 126 on the NQ.
Say again, where?
Maybe 126 on the NQ.
Yeah. 126. Yeah, I like that. Just don't think you'll get up that high, but yeah.
Maybe not.
I mean, yeah, you have to take it. I mean, that's in the rule book. That's a must.
Yeah, that would be a must take.
But like I said, I think you're going to get the hook right here. I think it's going
to. Probably.
I like the pivot down below for a bounce. Well, maybe you will get it.
Maybe.
Come on up.
Looks like you might be able to get it. All right, maybe we'll turn around here. Decent little sell signal here.
Come on up. They're going to run this thing back up.
Oh, that would be ridiculous.
There we go. Come on.
Das Bourbon God. All right. Hey, good job, buddy. Way to go, Dorian.
This is educational content only. Liberty Trading Club is not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is for learning purposes only. Remember, trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always do your own research and trade wisely.